I'm Anthony Saraf and I would like to introduce you my internship project I made at Institut Pascal under the supervision of Guillaume Pierre, professor and researcher at UCA, Université Clermont-Auvergne. I work on the subject Africa, the cradle of new polysaccharides and derivatives to address and advance suitable development and economic growth to the next decade. This project falls in the context of research on polysaccharides used for medical, cosmetic or food innovation. Africa has a huge resources of plant unexploited because of the economic context of some countries or some geopolitics problems. The main objective of this project was to do bibliographic research on polysaccharides coming from African plants to highlight the benefits of these non-well-known resources. This project was for me an opportunity to write for the first time a scientific publication and to discover more precisely the world of research. I chose this project for the economic and the societal question it raises, but also for the medical and the pharmaceutical research part, which interested me for a long time. Polysaccharides are biomolecules that are the most abundant substance on Earth. It's a polymer made of oses. It's found on animals, plants, microorganisms or algae. In our article we decided to focus more precisely on African plants, how to find them, how to extract them, how to define their structure and composition, and finally their economic advantages. One of the ways to find a target plant is to study people coming from a particular culture and to see how they make use of an indigenous plant, for example for medicine, for cosmetic, for food or for shelter. This is what we call ethnobotany. Ethnopharmacology is derived from ethnobotany, but it focuses more precisely on therapeutic, curative and healing properties of plants. Once the polysaccharide is targeted, we have now to know its composition and structure. To do so, we do a colorimetric assay. Then we decided to focus more precisely on mass spectrometry coupled to gas chromatography and to nuclear magnetic resonance. We choose these two techniques because it's a very precise and fast way to determine its composition and structure. Then we can do further researches on how the polysaccharides work on the human body or for other purposes. This project was very beneficial for me as I learned to organize my work and my research on my own. But I also really enjoyed to discover how it is to write a publication and all the difficulties that someone may face while writing it. Polysaccharides are very important resources for medical, cosmetic, food, environmental or energetic industry. Its market is getting more and more important as it is an organic compound that touches many fields, and polysaccharides might probably be one of the future bioresources that everyone would need.